In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the Instagram incorrect password problem. If you are typing the correct password but Instagram still says wrong password, don't worry, this video will help you fix it easily. So, let's get started. First, tap and hold the Instagram logo and go to Instagram app info. From here, find the storage option and tap on it. Now tap on clear data option, then tap on delete. Now go back to the home screen and open the Play Store. If you are using iPhone, then open the App Store. Now search for Instagram and update Instagram if there are any update available. Now search for Instagram Lite and install the app. Here I am fast forwarding the video to keep the video short. Now open the Instagram Lite and log in your Instagram account using your old username and password. Now open the Instagram app and log in your account here. The incorrect password problem should be fixed now. If you still have the problem, then change your Instagram password and then log in your Instagram account. If you tried too many wrong passwords, Instagram may temporarily block your login. In that case, wait for a few hours and then try again. And that's how you can fix the Instagram incorrect password problem. If this video helped you, then make sure to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.